This is a North Carolina Amber Alert for a child abduction. The Robeson County Sheriff's Office is searching for Tacoma Keegan Hunt. Tacoma is a 2-year-old Native American male, approximately 2 feet tall, weighing 35 pounds. He has brown hair and brown eyes. The abductor is Earl Frederick Locklear, a 36-year-old Native American male. They were last seen on Creek Run Drive in Maxton, North Carolina, in a black 2020 Jeep Cherokee Latitude with North Carolina license plate KLH2066. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Robeson County Sheriff's Office immediately at 910-374-8567. Call 911 or Star HP. This is a North Carolina Amber Alert.